working, or you can't even update iOS. Don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to free up serious storage on your iPhone, without deleting your important photos or apps. Let's fix this right now. Step 1. Check what's actually taking space. First, don't randomly delete things. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, General, right pointing arrow, iPhone storage. Wait a few seconds. You'll see a color bar showing Apps, Photos, Media, System Data. Most people never check this, and that's the mistake. Now let's free space smartly. Step 2. Offload apps, biggest hidden trick. Scroll down and look at apps you rarely use. Tap any large app. Now tap Offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data safe. When you reinstall it later, everything comes back. This alone can free 2 GB to 10 GB in minutes. Pro tip: go to Settings, right pointing arrow, App Store, right pointing arrow, turn on Offload unused apps. Your iPhone will automatically manage storage for you. Step 3. Fix the photos problem. For most people, photos take the most space. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Photos. Turn on Optimize iPhone storage. Your original full quality photos will move to iCloud, and smaller versions stay on your phone. Also, go to Photos, right pointing arrow, Albums, right pointing arrow, Recently deleted. Delete everything there. Most people forget this, and waste 3 to 5 GB. Step 4. Clear messages storage. iMessage attachments eat storage. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, General, right pointing arrow, iPhone storage, right pointing arrow, Messages. You'll see Photos, Videos, GIFs, Stickers. Delete large videos and old attachments. You'll be shocked how much space this frees. Step 5. Clear Safari cache. Browser data builds up over time. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Safari, right pointing arrow, Clear history and website data. Tap Confirm. Instant cleanup. Step 6. Delete downloaded media. Open Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, Apple Music. Delete downloaded shows or playlists. Offline content quietly eats storage. Step 7. Restart your iPhone, hidden reset trick. After deleting things, restart your iPhone. This refreshes system storage and clears temporary files. Sometimes you instantly recover extra space. Bonus: if system data is huge. If system data is 15 GB plus. Best fix: update to latest iOS OR. Backup, right pointing arrow, reset, right pointing arrow, restore. This clears corrupted cache. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you can free up serious space on your iPhone. If this helped you, hit like, thumbs up, subscribe to Smart Tech Info, and comment below how much storage you recovered. I'll see you in the next one.